It's a synchronous gate, always 3 feet on the ground.
Dr. Carlos Fernandez breeds rare Puerto Rican Paso Fino horses on his farm north of Washington, D.C.
Yeah, come on, I'm going to let you loose for a little bit.
A transplant surgeon by trade, Dr. Fernandez likes to work with his hands. He keeps 20 horses in 2 barns, has 2 houses, an indoor training ring, and other structures on his property, all run on electricity. For the past several years, Dr. Fernandez has been working to make his horse farm energy independent using wind power.
Our own lives have been almost turned upside down by the cost of gasoline going up in the last 2 years. You know, the way we live, the way we do things. I think we would all have a lot more freedom if we were able to make our own power.
Dr. Fernandez has 4 windmills on his property. 2 are modern designs made specifically for small-scale electricity production. The other 2 were originally designed to pump water from deep wells.
This particular one was manufactured in 1905. I found it on basically on a yard sale. I brought it home, painted it up, fixed it up, and started playing with it to make a conversion to make electricity with it.
According to the American Wind Energy Association, interest in small wind technology is on the rise. They say 10,000 turbines were sold in the U.S. last year. They expect that number to grow by 20% a year. Ron Stimmel is a small wind advocate.
Yeah, the interest is just skyrocketing. People are looking for a way to seize control of their own energy futures, so to speak, and become personally energy independent.
We use on trade shows and fairs and that kind of thing.
Dr. Fernandez is also a dealer. Consumers can choose from hundreds of models on the market, ranging from $14,000 to $60,000. The industry says the average U.S. household uses about 1,000 kilowatts of electricity a month. These units can produce between 400 to 1,000 kilowatts per month, depending on the available wind.
For wind power, the main issue is site. You know, where you're going to locate the tower. You know, obviously trees are not very friendly to windmills unless you can get 20 to 30 feet above them.
Dr. Fernandez says he is not completely energy independent, but after installing his wind turbines, the amount of power he bought from the local utility company went down from 5,400 kilowatts per month to 2,000 kilowatts.
This area around here, the average wind speed throughout the year is about 12 miles an hour. There's a range between 9 miles an hour, and 15 miles an hour. So what you have to look for is for a turbine that would produce the most at 12-mile-an-hour winds.
His most recent construction project on the farm is this indoor training ring for his horses. It is completely independent of the local power grid. Power for lighting and outlets is generated by small wind turbines. The excess electricity is stored in batteries.
Sooner or later, I'm going to be producing more than I use here because I'm always tinkering with, more power production, of figuring out ways of getting, every ounce that I can get out of those turbines. Whether it's a taller tower, whether it's, better electronics, better generating systems, or being able to catch the wind better. My goal is to be totally energy independent. He only speaks Spanish.
Jeff Swicord, VOA News, Dickerson, Maryland.